Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a tourist attraction that very few people visit but you think is interesting. You should say what the place is, what people can see there, why only few people visit there, and explain why you think it is interesting. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, India is a diverse country and has a variety of popular tourist attractions ranging from being in the mountains, beaches, or even deserts. And today, I would like to talk about the occasionally visited tourist hill station, city of Binsar, located in the state of Uttarakhand in North India. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Occasionally visited means something that is not very frequently visited or less visited. So instead of repeating the word that was already in the question, we have used a different vocabulary word to convey the same meaning. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, Binsar is a site for soar rise that offers a grand and mesmerizing view of the snow-capped Himalayan range stretching over 300 kilometers and including some of the famous peaks like Nanda Devi and Kedarnath. So we have used an idiom here which is site for soar eyes, which means a very visually appealing place or a beautiful place. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Mesmerizing again means something that is very beautiful, very good to look at. Snow-capped means covered with snow. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, it is also popular for its wildlife sanctuary, which houses a wide variety of birds, including magpies and blackbirds, rare animal species like red fox and musk deer, as well as floral red rhododendrons, which are in full bloom during the months of March and April. So, houses means to have. The red rhododendrons, I'm not sure if you are from North India, you must have heard about the Buranj shoes, okay? So that's what it is referred to as in English. They are called rhododendrons. Despite its beauty and landscape, tourism is less in the area because of the poor road infrastructure, rugged terrain and landscape, as well as its difficult accessibility, making it challenging for people to make their way to the high altitude city. So rugged means when the road surface is not smooth and it has lot of rocks and potholes in between. So what we are trying to say here is that the roads are not properly developed in the area. The roads are rugged, which means they are not even or they are not smooth. And also the place is not accessible. That means it is not close to a railway station or to an airport, making it difficult for people to come there. So that's why less people visit this place. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain why you think it is interesting, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that it is an interesting place as it is a quiet and serene place, providing breathtaking, panoramic mountain views, yet away from the hustle and bustle of city, providing an opportunity to rejuvenate one's mind, body, and soul. So, serene means calm or quiet. Breathtaking again means beautiful. Panoramic means like kind of a 360-degree view. And we have also used an idiom here which is hustle and bustle, which means away from the noise of the city. Rejuvenate means to refresh. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon. We made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.